Here's how to remove a wiper blade arm from a 3rd gen Dodge Ram. So here's the wiper blade arm. You're going to see a little tab over here that's kind of hidden, and you pull it up. You got to pull it up and hold it there. This is how you're going to be releasing the wiper blade arm. But there's another step to this. Grab the arm. It's spring loaded, so you pull it back and it's going to stay upright on its own. Now pull that tab that we found earlier, and with your other hand grab the arm and pull it up. Now if it's a bit corroded over the years, you might have to wiggle it up a little bit, so just do it nice and gently and it'll come back. Now when you're going to put it back down, point the driver's side wiper blade at the passenger side wiper blade and then push down on the spring loaded part over here. So once again, there's the tab, pull it out, hold it out, grab the wiper arm, and wiggle it up. Off it comes. To put it back down, just reverse the process, and you'll see when you put it down, that tab is going to snap back into locking position, so it'll go back in by itself. And that's how you know that it's on. This can be tricky if you don't know what to look for, so I'm hoping this video helps some of you out when it comes to doing this. Thanks, and hit that like button if it helped.